Good evening, good morning, everybody. Today I want to talk about the trade that I took on gold. Today I traded pretty terribly on gold. Not gonna lie, at -2% losses. And you can see that I just got my 10K funding account because I've just finished my withdrawal. And that is my brand new account, and I'm already down 1.9%, which is pretty bad if you ask me, right? But long story short, let's talk about the trade I took. And honestly, tonight is a pretty rough night for me. Let's talk about the trade I took. Losses is all right. The most important thing is whether can I learn from my losses and get experience out of it. I think that's more important compared to whether I make money or not, right? So you can see that I took a short here initially. And I took a loan, another loan, and another loan. Free trade also got stopped out, and then this trade got out of break even. So my stat for tonight is basically three losses, one break even, right? And let's talk about the trade I took. I came to the chart, gold is ranging, and if price break below the range, then I'm thinking, okay, probably. Market will have a measure move down, 60% chance, right? So that's my whole idea. And then we can see that, price, I enter short somewhere around, wait a minute, I have to, okay, I enter short here. I think at the time it makes sense to me. I enter short here and then put my stop all the way up, aiming target 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And then this tonight is moved pretty weird and out of my control, so I cannot make a profit, and I should learn from the market instead, right? And then I took a short after I saw price close strong bear, close below the low of the trend range, and then close below the low of the past 100 bar, right? And then the next candle closed bullish, and I'm a bit worried about it because like it's a bad follow through. But the good thing is we still have an open gap here, and then already moved my stop to here because I don't want to be trapped in of a bad trade, right? And then the next bar closed bear, bear, and then this bear, bear, four consecutive bear bar probably will have a second leg down. And then my initial take profit was somewhere around here, and then almost hit my take profit, but it's just like almost like a perp or four perp, but almost hit my take profit, but I didn't. And the price reversed, and then I get out at break even because like almost hit my break even, and I really do not want my trade to go all the way back and draw down, right? That's my whole idea. And then, yep, this is the first trade, break even trade, everything makes sense, right? And then when price came to this level, this is like kind of like a measure move level, right? The one time of the measure move level. And then I'm thinking, okay, probably we will buy. I want to buy because the left is pretty bullish, right? And I want to buy all the way up. And then when I saw, okay, this three consecutive bull bar probably meaning that the limit order bull can make money, meaning that the bear trend is not that strong. And then when I saw this big bear bar close on the slow, and I'm thinking if the next bear bar close bear strong and close on the slow, probably I would want to take advantage of the sell, but instead it closed bullish. And then I'll take a buy here above here, counting the fact that we failed to break below the low, and then it's a wedge bottom, one, two, three. It's a wedge bottom as well, and you can see that bullish bar, trailing range price session, back follow through, breakout, back follow through, three consecutive bull bar, the body become bigger and bigger. So I'm thinking probably the limit order bull are able to make money buying here and then buying lower, and then they're able to make money out of their trade. So I'm thinking probably ball will have a chance to, at least for me to have 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and then the next bar hit my stop immediately, right? When something like this happen, it's weird, right? It just when one tick above that and then hit my stop just like 10 seconds after it went one pip above that, right? I should be careful that there may be some problem in the market, or that's just weird market condition for me, right? Just boom, activate my trade, and then boom, 2 seconds later I hit my stop, right? It's a bit weird. And then I enter another trade here as is the micro double top and fail breakout to the downside, still fail closing below here. And then boom, activate my stop, boom, get out. Stop me out as well. So tonight is pretty rough to trade as I'm counting that we fail to break below here. And then the bear leg down is not that strong. Limit audible are able to make money, but I got stopped out once, I got stopped out twice, and then I should sense that probably I should not trade in tonight market condition because like it's just ranging, and then I took another buy here. It's a good buy because I'm thinking that okay, we close strong bull, and then probably we'll have watch bottom 1, 2, 3, or even you can see that there's a nest wedge as well. So 1, 2, 3. So probably the probability will increase, and I put my stop here, put my buy stop here, and then put my stop loss here. Boom, got hit again. So it's pretty difficult to trade tonight, you know. Market condition, and I lost 2% on my funding perp, and I'm only up $96 on my funding perp account, and I lose 1.9% on my FTMO account. So it was less, right? And let's talk about the trade I took on US 500. And then US 500, you can see that no reason for me to take the trade simple. Um, Tight bear channel, probably the first reversal up would be minor, right? But you see that the strong bull bar, the contest is good. When I look at the higher time frame, 1 hour time frame, we're in a low of the trend range. And then on the 5 minute as well, we're at the low of the trend range, and then bear doji bar followed by a big strong bull bar, and I do not want to buy the first reversal up, and then bear try to resume the bear trend, and then bull reverse that, and then I buy here, put my stop here. I'll say the most ideal case will be targeting tonight high, right? And I think that's a good idea, but right now I'm a bit slippy and I lose a lot of trade. I need to um go to bed, right? If it close strong bear like this, I'm gonna exit all my trade manually and then go to sleep because it's the worst top right possible. So tonight is pretty rough for me, but it is what it is. Still learn from my mistake. What up? I exit all my trade, and then you can see that I lose 2.2% of my FTMO account. and I lose 2.3% on my funding per account already. Originally I was up $300, but right now I'm only up $70, $72. And then on my damn, I lose a lot of money to today, even though it's a simulation prop account, but I still feel like feel like shit, right? And it was gonna learn from my mistake, and I should learn really the trade that I took on gold is make sense or not. I think the first sell is make sense, right? And then the buy here makes sense as well. Probably it's not the most high probability because like uh bear channel, right? You can see that there's a tight bear channel, probably not three consecutive bull bar, but close on the stall probably with a second leg down. There's something that I should be mindful of, right? This bar have a long way to the top. If it can close on its top, will be high probability. But right now it seems like we're in the training range, so mm, I don't know, man. Like, a bit difficult, but I want to go to sleep, right? And then boom, put it pushing down. What it is, you know, can't complain.